Okay, so finally we have a almost stable version of Oneplus Stock Dialer. After this video, you guys can get rid of that Google Stock Dialer and also that annoying pre-call recording announcement. And this dialer should work on any OnePlus smartphone running OxygenOS 13 and 13.1. We did not test it out on 12 because right now we don't have any device which is running OxygenOS 12. So now without wasting any more time, let's talk about this new and updated version of OnePlus Dialer. Guys, first of all, let me clear one thing. Before asking any question, make sure to watch the entire video. Because on every dialer video, we get a lot of questions and those people don't watch the installation guide which we mention in the video. I'm sure if you follow all these steps, you guys won't have any kind of issues with this OnePlus Stock Dialer. So first of all, here you can see there are two phones. Towards the left hand side, this is our OnePlus 10 Pro, and towards the right hand side, this is our OnePlus 11. Both are running on OxygenOS 13.1. I also tested out on our OnePlus 9 and everything is working great there also. Huge thanks to Dhirendra for sharing the APK files. We also tried extracting the files from OnePlus 8 series. By the way, OnePlus 8 comes with OnePlus Stock Dialer, but here the application versions were outdated. So once again, huge thanks to Dhirendra for providing us all these APK files. Here you can see the APK versions. These are the files provided by one of my friend, and these are the files which are present on OnePlus 8 series. There's not much of difference. Phone APK is of 14.0, but on OnePlus 8 it's 13.8. So we thought, why not use the latest one? First, let's talk about the installation process. So I've already installed it on my OnePlus 10 Pro. I'll show you guys the calling UI, recording option and other stuff. So what you have to do is you just need to download these two APK files present in the description below. And guys, we don't have a huge server to upload all the files. That's the reason we upload all these files on a Telegram group. If you're not able to open the Telegram group by giving the link in the description below, then you can just visit Telegram app and search for Techibee. So first what we'll do is we'll install this APK, tapping on install. It's done. Then next we'll install Contact APK. So now both the applications have been installed. After that, what you have to do is to disable Google Contact app and Google Phone app, you have to set OnePlus Stock Dialer as the default one. So go to settings, apps, default apps, and from here select phone app and change it to contacts. Once you do that, now you will be able to disable the Google Dialer. So long pressing on it, tapping on app info, and here you can see now we have a disable option. And guys, make sure to disable Google Dialer and Google Contact app, because if you don't disable it, there are possibilities while an incoming call, you'll see a pop-up from Google Dialer also. So phone application of Google Dialer have been disabled. Let's disable the Google Contact app also. And now what you have to do is you need to locate the file which is of OnePlus Stock Dialer. Long press on this APK, go to app info, and from here go to battery usage and enable all these three settings. Allow background activity and also allow auto launch. So once you enable all these things, you won't see any kind of delays during an incoming call. Do this for both the APKs, whatever you have installed. So next is the Contact app. I'll long press, go to app info, battery usage, and here by default these are enabled. But after installing, make sure to cross check them. So now the task is completed and you are good to go. So now open the Stock Dialer application. Allow all the necessary permissions. So here you can see we have the OnePlus Stock Dialer in which all the contacts are perfectly working fine. You can also enable auto sync of your contacts on OnePlus cloud services, and there are no issues adding a new contact also. I have personally tested this. I did not find any kind of issues. You won't get these data services working which says no SIM card inserted. So I don't know, might be some system applications required, but I don't use this service, so it doesn't matter whether it works or not. Still, I'll try to check. If any application works, I'll update you guys in the pinned comment. There are some minor bugs which you guys will face, and some of them are there is no option to record the calls automatically. Manually you can record the calls. I'll show you a demo also, but there are no options to record automatically. Other than that, you have all the basic settings like auto answer when connected to an external Bluetooth device, power button to end the call, and also haptics are present if someone picks up or disconnects the call. You can also reverse the swipe direction for answering an incoming call. Last time we made an O-dialer video, and that time that particular application had the incoming call delay issues. But now there are no issues like that. Let me show you an example. So if I tap on call, and you can see just after one ring, the screen wakes up. So there are no issues with the delay of incoming call. You can also record the call. Right now recording call says standby, but soon I pick up the call, I'll be able to record it. And there is also no pre-announcement while recording the call. And remember guys, if you're not able to find the call recording option in the dialer, then just go to settings, about section, additional settings, language and region. From here, make sure you change the region to India, and later just clear the caches and data of stock dialer. You'll be able to record the calls. Also, if you're getting a call when the screen is on, you get this pop-up menu, or you can say the incoming call in a pop-up view. Tapping on it, you have all the gestures like swiping down to answer. As I told you initially, you can also reverse them. And if you want to check out the recording, though you'll get a pop-up on the screen that call recording saved, but still if you want to check it out, you can just press this icon towards the right side, scroll down, and here we have the audio recording. You just need to allow the necessary permissions. Going to permission, music and audio, and now you'll be able to access the audio recordings also. By default, the call recordings will be played on speaker, but if you put your device on your ear, the audio will switch to earpiece. And we also tested out messaging app, but that did not work on OxygenOS 13.1. So guys, this way you can get OnePlus Stock Dialer on any of your OnePlus smartphone running OxygenOS 13 or 13.1. If you still have any kind of questions, you guys can let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.